For this cherry flavoured vodka, I'm just adding some frozen cherries as I had them. You can use fresh. I'm just chopping them into quarters. I was going to attempt to make a raspberry vodka, but I like cherries a bit better, so I decided to go with cherry. I've just spread this along. You don't want to watch me chopping loads of cherries. Now I'm just about to begin adding the cherries to the vodka bottle. This was so easy to make this flavour vodka. Once all your cherries are in, or you can use any fruit you like, you're going to top the bottle up with more vodka to fill it. Then it can sit anywhere from 5 to 30 days. You will want to strain it and it will last for up to 3 months. Leave me a comment and let me know if you try this. You're going to want to shake this 3 times a day to incorporate all those flavours.